friends, welcome to ERA tutorial. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 7 subject English unit 1 1.5 English workshop, seeing eyes helping hands. Already this topic is you can see explanation of this topic in my previous video. Link is given in description box. So today we are going to discuss English workshop of 1.5 class 6 English, seeing eyes helping hands. So let us start. First question. This passage contains 4 different types of invitations. They are: first, it is a formal invitation. Second is notice. Third is an oral invitation, and fourth is also another oral invitation. Now read each invitation carefully. Keep in mind the list of 8 questions given below. Note the answers in your notebook. Verify that the formal invitation A covers all 8 points. Okay, means what? The first formal invitation is there, which is given by principal, school principal. So that formal invitation contains all these 4 points. That means who is sending or giving the information, what is the program, what is the name of the project, who will inaugurate it, who will preside over the function, what time will the function start, where will it take place, how many names get mentioned in the invitation. Okay, so all these 8 criteria are there in first invitation, that is a formal invitation. Now what you have to do for remaining 3, you have to check that all these 8 criteria are satisfied or not. For that, one table is given to you. Okay, so for point 1, in invitation A, all points are covered. Okay, that means who is inviting, to whom it is invitation is given, and when the program is, timing is, who is going to inaugurate, program is going to preside by whom, like that. All questions, whichever 8 questions are here, these 8 questions are satisfied in first invitation, A invitation, that is a formal invitation, and in that 6 members are included. Now let us start with B. B is another type of, that means B is a notice. In B, who is sending? So it is mentioned. What is program? That is also mentioned. That what is the name of the project? Seeing eyes and helping hand, that is also mentioned. Who will inaugurate? That is also mentioned in the notice. Who will preside over the function? Mentioned in the notice. What time will it? So all these criteria are mentioned here, and how many members are included in it? 2 members are included. Okay. Now if we see invitation C, here you will see who is sending or giving information, that thing is given. Second, what is the program? In oral, that means if we see this oral invitation is for news reporter. Okay, in that third and fourth question, it is not mentioned, that is what is the name of the project. In the invitation to the reporter, it is not mentioned, and who will inaugurate the function, it is not mentioned. But if you see 5, 6, 7, these things are mentioned in the invitation, so you will put tick mark there. And how many members are there? So receptionist is there, reporter is there, then school in charge is there. So like that 4 people are there in invitation. Now D. In D, leaving 5th question, all criteria are satisfied. So what is 5th? Who will preside over the function? Now if we talk about the invitation D, it is again another oral invitation. Children is giving invitation, 7th class child is giving invitation to parents. So in that only question number 5 is not mentioned, and that question number 5 is who will preside over the function. Remaining all things are mentioned, and here participants are also 3, that is the child, mother and father. They are talking about father also. So like that you have to read out all invitation and you have to find out all 8 questions are fulfilled or not, okay, answered or not, and like that you have to complete this table, okay. Next question. Prepare a formal invitation for the function you have arranged at home. It could clearly state the following point: who is inviting people to the function, what the program is, what the date and time, and the venue. Okay, venue means the place where program is there. So here is an invitation. In that, first who is inviting? Ved Pathak and family is inviting. What is the function? It is the first birthday. For first birthday they are inviting. Third criteria, date. When it is? So it is on Saturday, okay. And last point is venue. So where it is arranged? So it is arranged at the Taj Palace, Nasik, Maharashtra, okay. So like that you can prepare your invitation. Write an imaginary telephonic conversation in which you invite your friend to the above function. Now in this telephonic conversation, what you have to do? First you will call your friend. So you begin with hello. For example, your friend's name is any you consider. Okay. Now Ved Pathak is calling to his friend. Okay. For example, name of the friend is Aditya. Okay. So Ved Pathak will say, hello Aditya, how are you? Then he will ask, I am fine, what about you? Then he will explain, I am also fine. I would like to invite you for the first birthday of our baby, which is so again Aditya will say, okay, that means your baby is now 1 year old. Okay, where is the program? So you will say program is at the Taj Palace, Nasik, and it is on Saturday, 1st of June at 7 p.m. onwards. So I wish that you and your family will definitely come to celebrate first birthday of my child. Then Aditya will reply, okay, definitely I will come. So we will meet on 1st of June. Okay, like that telephonic conversation you can have. Now question number 4. Imagine someone has invited your family to a program and you were the only person at home when invitation was given orally. Write a note to pass on the message to other people in your family, or write an imaginary conversation in which you pass on the message to your parents. Now this is like your fourth invitation when child is inviting his parents for the program. So this invitation is like that only. So what you will inform to your parents? You will write down, or you can give orally also information, means how you will pass this message, that is important, that someone has invited your family to program. Okay, for example, someone means your father's friend, they visited your house but at that time no one was there and he want to invite you for program of the inauguration of their newly built house. Okay, so you will inform your mother that that Pathak uncle came yesterday. At that time you were not there. He said that he is going to inaugurate his newly built house on this Saturday and he invited us to visit their house and also to be the part of puja, and for lunch also they have called us. So you will pass this message to your parents. That means he said that don't forget to come, definitely give message to your parents to come for the program. Program will be from morning 10 to evening 6 o'clock. So anytime you can come and you can join, and address is also given by them. So and they insist us to present on the program, like that you can pass the message. Okay, so like that only 4 questions are there for this lesson. You might have understood all the answers, how to write it down. If you have any problem, please mention it in some comment box so that I can try to solve your queries. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily videos related to 5th to 10th standard English. Thank you.